Hello friends. So today we will discuss how to make money on YouTube. So to make money on YouTube, you need to have YouTube partnership program which is called YPP. So what is YPP first of all? So YPP is nothing but YouTube partner program. Okay. To get the to be eligible for YPP, you need to have 1000 subscriber first of all. Next, the second point, you need to have 4000 valid public watch hours. That is 4000 valid public watch hours. Okay, so recently YouTube has introduced lower tier of YPP eligibility in some regions where you will be granting earlier access to fan funding feature, that is excluding ad revenue. Here the requirements of this tier are first of all you need to have 5000 subscriber, then 3 public uploads, and then 3000 valid public watch hours. And now we will discuss about what are the key monetization feature within the YPP. Key monetization feature in YPP. So the first point is ad revenue, and it's a well-known method. Once in the YPP, you can enable ads on your long form videos and shorts. Revenue will be get generated from these views and clicks on these ads, and YouTube shares a percentage of this revenue with the creator. The second one is YouTube premium revenue. What is it? When a YouTube premium subscriber watches your content, you receive a portion of their subscription fee. That is called YouTube premium revenue. Next come point is channel memberships. Channel What is channel memberships? Channel memberships is nothing but it offers exclusive perks to your most dedicated fans in exchange for a recurring monthly payment. These perks can include custom badges, emojis, member only posts, and exclusive content. Next coming point is super chat and super stickers. So super chat and super stickers, what is it is so during the live streams and video premieres, viewers can purchase super chats to have their messages highlighted in the chat. or super stickers, which are animated images. Okay, so next come super thanks. So what is super thanks? Super thanks is nothing but viewers can show their appreciation for your uploaded videos by purchasing a super thanks. This highlights their comment in the comment section. So in the next video, we will discuss more about YPP program. Okay, so how YPP program will diversifying your income streams. Okay, so that's all for this video. Have a nice day.